guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my living room. This is where I record all my hair tutorials. I made it a little bit cozy for us. I have the fireplace going on. It's not really a fireplace, it's just a TV. Okay, so today I want to talk to you guys about my hair color. A lot of you have been requesting this tutorial for so long now, and to be honest with you, I was quite nervous about this. It's the first time that I talk in front of the camera like this. How will I do it? Will I be good at it? I see all those beautiful beauty bloggers who do it so easily. I decided to put that fear aside and to just do this. I really want to make more tutorials to talk to you guys and to explain more stuff. So today I will talk about my hair color. I will tell you all the secrets and all the information you need to know about how to get my hair color. So here it is.
Okay, so my natural hair color is very dark brown. It's almost black. And I am mixing dark blonde ash base with dark blonde to achieve the lighter color that I'm having right now. And the reason why I'm adding ash base is because I have so many pigments in my hair that the color might turn too warm or too red, and I don't want that. So to prevent that from happening, I am using dark blonde ash base.
This formula depends on how light you are, whether you have virgin hair, whether you have colored hair. This is really hard, I know that. That's why I recommend you guys to see a hairstylist for this. I work at a hair salon. I'm a professional hairstylist and I've been a hairstylist for over 7 years now. Oh my god, that's a long time. So my hair has been done in a salon, meaning that we have professional tools, we have professional colors. I will put the formula down in the description box, but remember, this hair formula belongs to the brand that I'm using. Every brand has different hair colors and different outcomes, so make sure to inform about this with your hairstylist and to talk about it, because the brand that I'm using might have different colors than other coloring brands. So if I would have to describe my hair color in words, it will be light brown, honey beige, caramel, honey, chocolate, light brown. That's a lot of information, I know.
Here is a closer look of my hair color. As you can see, it's a really natural, warm, soft brown, light brown hair color. And I like this because it suits my skin tone and it makes me look less harsh and really soft. Side note, if you guys are interested in my haircut, there's a whole blog post about it on my website.
Is when you see someone walking down the street, it doesn't matter whether it's a stranger or a friend, just walk up to them and ask them, like, where do you do your hair? It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, can you please tell me who your hairstylist is, which salon it is? This helps a lot. It's the best way to find the right hairstylist. It really is, because you're giving someone a compliment, and I love when women compliment each other. We need to empower each other much more. I'm sure she will be very glad to help you because she want to help her hairstylist to getting more clients, but she will also want to help you to achieve a beautiful hair color. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this short tutorial. To be honest with you, it wasn't so bad for me speaking English like this in front of the camera. I wasn't so bad with the language, right? It was okay. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys so very much for taking the time to watch my tutorial, and I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Love you guys so much. Mwah!